guys, sanibona. Yazi, I actually knew ukuthi one day uLwandle uSlipwalker go straight to Senzo Mphume's room and confess everything. And I really hope ukuthi today was not that day. I really hope that the only thing that she said was to apologize. Phela akasho ngolutho lokuthi she not confess everything. Nanokuthi basheshe bambuza angazi. I'm really stressing ukuthi she might be exposed right now. And I want to talk about this and more here on this video. But before starting with it, I would like to request you guys to like it. If you're subscribed to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down so that we can watch more plus videos. And I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this. Nangu phela uLwandle lento yakhe uSlipwalker engaqali ukuyenza. I think it's the fourth time today. uSlipwalker uyendlini ngasenzo noPhume uyafika laphayana crying in front of the TV, crying right in front of their bed. Bavuka noma bevuka inhliziyo sengonosini right now how what's going on? Esilime uLwandle is busy crying, saying ngiyaxolisa noxolo, ngiyaxolisa, I didn't mean to hurt you and all those things. Now inkinga ke and what I'm stressing about the most ukuthi akuba ukuthi uphelele lapho uthi uyaxolisa kuphela. She did not say anything. Akasho ukuthi for pushing you, ngaphushele embanzini or anything of that sort. Because if she did say that, that means that the whole truth of the day is exposed. Angazi bazomisa kanjani ngabe. Like, guys, I'm really worried. I cannot wait for Monday. What did this girl do? Yes, manje, even if she didn't confess anything, uPhume noSenzo will stay suspicious ukuthi why was this one apologizing. But yes, uzoba khona leya benefit of a doubt bazomnikeza ukuthi mhlambe uSlipwalker nanokuthi uhlale erumini axolo and stuff like that. But izoba hlale khona lento lemqondweni wabo ukuthi something is wrong here. Angazi guys, I really cannot wait for Monday. So comment down in the comment section. You should know what did you think about this, and if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like it, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, your Instagram, if you're not TikTok. So with all of that being said, this is the end, and thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.